Hi everyone, I want to show you Allie's best burping position. So I'm going to place her over my shoulder. Oh, she already burped. But I do tap, tap, and then squeeze up. Tap, tap, squeeze up. This is Allie's best way to burp. She already gave me a really good one. Just remember that you position your babe a little bit high onto your shoulder. And then you just squeeze out, tap, tap, and then squeeze up. This is her favorite way. There are other variations that you guys can do. I know some parents like to have them positioned this way, like that. Kind of over, supported their chin, and then go this way. It's number 2. It's not her favorite. She doesn't do much in this position. What is your guys' favorite?